Hello, in this lecture, we are going to see what are objects. Now, what actually is an object? An object is nothing but what you see in your real world around yourself. So, to give you a very simple example, a car that you see around yourself is an object, right? And objects can be something like your favorite pet, it can be another friend of yours, it can be a glass of water, it can be a wooden table, anything that you see around yourself, that's an object. Now, an object has two major properties. The first is called attributes. So for this car object, you have attributes like what is its make, what is its model, what is its top speed, what kind of fuel is it, does it use, like is it diesel or is it petrol, things like that. The other important property is its behavior. So behavior means what a car actually does, okay, how it behaves in a real world. So you know that a car starts, a car can brake, a car can stop, a car can accelerate. All these things come under its behavior. So these are the two major properties of an object. Now in this case, I took an example of a car, but you can easily replace it with any other object and you would find these two important properties persisting there as well. So if we take a human being's example, like your favorite friend, so he has attributes, he or she can have attributes like what is her name, okay, what's her age, okay, what is her race, okay, what's her religion, okay, what language does she speak, and things like that. In a similar way, what is the behavior of that same friend of yours? The behavior is friends, your friends being a human being, they eat, they speak, they walk, they talk, things like that, right? So they all come under behavior. So in this way, you can model any object that you see around yourself. And that's what is actually an object, guys. Okay. So an object can have attributes and can have a specific behavior. And these objects are the fundamental base of object-oriented programming. In case of an object-oriented programming, we have similar objects in our program which have some specific attributes and some specific behavior. And these two factors, namely attributes or behavior, are very specific to that object itself. So that is what is an object, guys. In the next lecture, we are going to look into what is a class.